Can we hear from both parties?
My Lord, I will do the following for my people. I will retrieve looted monies. I will build more roads. I will help with new hospitals. I will not favor any political class above the people. I will make the people my priority. I will support the Nigerian cause. I will fix power problem that we have started, continue with judicial reforms, and continue with electoral reforms. I will be a nationalist. Thank you, my Lord.
My Lord, I have to do the following. Favor my client in politics, get my money back, get America to forgive me and erase my record in their courts, help the people as much as I can, continue where I stopped as Vice President by buying all Nigerian assets that El Rufai did not let me buy up. I will deal with Baba who tortured me, finish Asiwaju for his years, if punishment. I will ensure my PDP cronies in EFCC are released and pardoned, change the EFCC chairman, improve the economy for us all to have more money to steal and be wealthier. I will share oil blocks with my people. I will grant the pastors more visas and turn the blind eyes to their non-compliance with financial regulation. I will restructure the Nigerian state for our elites' collective benefit.
It's time to let the jury decide.
My Lord, we have all decided that President Muhammadu Buhari should continue.
APC, next level.